Hey, Trev here, and today we're talking about and getting ready to install this Old Man Emu suspension system from ARB. Now, they've sent me their complete kit with the BP51 shocks. Now, the BP51 shocks, what that stands for is it's their bypass 51 millimeter bore size or 2-inch bore shock. Now, the great thing about these shocks is that they are very adjustable, and depending on what terrain you're driving in, you can adjust it for that terrain to get the plushest ride. For example, so these are the front coilovers on this shock, and they come preset from the factory with a 5 millimeter adjustment on the preload, so that if you have a stock truck with no bumpers or anything like that, you're maintaining that 2-inch lift that you're looking for. Now, for our situation, we're going to install an ARB bumper and a Warn winch. So we're going to have that extra weight on the front end. So we have gone and compressed this spring, and we've lowered this collar down to 20 millimeters. So with the extra weight, we'll still be able to maintain that 2-inch of lift that we're looking for and that ride quality that we're looking for. Now, the other adjustments that you have with these shocks is you have an external rebound and compression dampening adjustment. So depending on your terrain that you're driving in, again, you can adjust that compression or rebound setting. They do provide the tools to do that, and they also provide in the instructions a guide to kind of help you navigate what's the best and what setting would work best for you based on where you're driving. So those are the front. The rear, the same kind of a setup, still has a reservoir, but it also has that external rebound and compression adjustment. So again, you can adjust that for what terrain or how you are driving and have the best control and the best ride that you're looking for. This kit does come with everything that you need. All the U-bolts, all the mounting brackets for the reservoirs, everything that you need comes with this kit. So that's the great thing about this kit. You order one part number and everything comes with it. Now the rear leaf spring packets, the unique thing about this is it comes set. Now, in the instructions it tells you if you're going to be consistently carrying about 300 pounds in the back of your truck, install it how it is. If it's going to be empty and you want to have the plushest ride, it recommends removing the third leaf down from the top to gain that plush ride that you're looking for if you're not carrying any load and you have an empty bed. But if you are going to be carrying like a tent, or your bed's going to be filled, or you're carrying all those extra parts and stuff that you need, leave the leaf spring in it, install it how it is for that best plushest ride. So we're excited about installing this kit. We're going to go ahead and install this kit, and we'll kind of explain some things. We'll compare the stock shocks that come with it with what it is once we get that stuff out, and then we'll go from there. So we'll go ahead and get started with the install. Okay, so now we have the factory front shock off, and I just wanted to show you the difference. So this is actually a Bilstein shock that Toyota puts on their TRD off-road models, and it's a decent shock. There's nothing wrong with this shock, but you can tell the difference between that and the Old Man Emu shock. So not only are we gaining the extra 2 inches of ride height, but again, the adjustability, the ability to control your compression, your rebound dampening, and of course the bypass. So there is quite a bit of difference in the two shocks. So we're excited to get these in. We'll go ahead and put this in now.